Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're tackling a common car problem, the evaporative emission system, or EVAP, vent control circuit. We'll go over how to diagnose and fix this issue, which can cause check engine lights and prevent your car from passing emissions tests. Let's get started. First, understand what the EVAP system does. It prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. A key component is the vent valve, which controls airflow in the system. The vent control circuit is simply the wiring and components that operate this valve. A fault in this circuit will often trigger a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, such as P0446 or similar codes related to the vent valve. So, how do you fix it? 1. Start by retrieving the diagnostic trouble code using an OBD2 scanner. Write down the code and clear it. See if it returns. This helps confirm it's a persistent problem. 2. Inspect the vent valve itself. It's often located near the fuel tank or charcoal canister. Look for obvious damage, like broken wires or a cracked valve body. Check the electrical connector for corrosion or loose connections. Clean the connector with electrical contact cleaner if necessary. 3. Check the wiring. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the wires leading to the vent valve. Look for breaks or shorts in the wiring. Refer to your car's wiring diagram to identify the correct wires. Repair any damaged wiring by splicing and using heat shrink tubing to protect the connection. 4. Test the vent valve. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance of the vent valve solenoid. Compare the reading to the manufacturer's specifications. An open circuit or a short circuit indicates a faulty vent valve. You can also try applying 12 volts directly to the vent valve to see if it opens and closes. Listen for a clicking sound. If it doesn't activate, the valve is likely defective. 5. Check the vent valve control circuit at the PCM, powertrain control module. Locate the correct pin on the PCM connector according to your car's wiring diagram. Use a multimeter to check for voltage and ground. If there's no voltage or ground, there may be a problem with the PCM or the wiring between the PCM and the vent valve. 6. Replace the vent valve if it's faulty. This is often the simplest solution. Make sure to buy a replacement valve that's compatible with your car's make and model. Disconnect the electrical connector and any hoses attached to the old valve. Install the new valve and reconnect the wiring and hoses. Clear the DTC and test the system. 7. If the problem persists after replacing the vent valve, the issue may be more complex. It could be a wiring problem, a faulty PCM, or a problem with another component in the EVAP system. You may need to consult a professional mechanic for further diagnosis. Remember to always consult your car's repair manual for specific instructions and torque specifications. Work safely and disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to fix an EVAP vent control circuit issue. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more car repair tips and tutorials.